What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Raph from Hustle and Drive, bringing you another video here, okay? And with this video, I wanted to share the must-have tools and apps every driver should have on their phone, or they should have in their car, okay? So let's just jump right in. The number one tool that I recommend is having a phone mount, okay, guys? This is super important. Once you start driving, you're going to have to look at your phone very frequently. And the last thing you want to do is have the phone on your lap and you know, looking down and then looking back up at the road. It's very dangerous. I don't recommend doing that method. Get yourself a phone mount, invest a little bit of money, and let me tell you, this will make doing deliveries much easier for you, okay? So you don't have to look down at your lap every time. You can simply just look at your dashboard and figure out where you're going, okay? And it doesn't have to be a very expensive phone mount like the one I'm showing with you right now. This is a simple phone mount that attaches to my car vent, and it's very small and it's a magnet, okay? So you may want to check that out, okay? The next tool that you must have, it is a cool and warm bag, okay, guys? This is a must. If you are a delivery driver and you're carrying food around, you should have a delivery bag. The worst thing that can happen to you is giving the customer cold food, or if it's ice cream, having it melt, okay? So invest in a temperature controlled thermal bag, okay? It's not that much money. You can get one for like $10. Companies offer them. You can get one on eBay. Okay, guys, you must have a delivery bag if you're going to do food delivery, okay? The next tool that you must have, this is going to be a app on your phone, and this app is called Gas Buddy. Wow, guys, you will not understand how much gas you are using once you start doing deliveries, okay, guys? I go through about $40 a week on gas, and if you use this tool, Gas Buddy, it's going to find you the cheapest gas in your area, okay? And even if you're saving a few cents per fill up, it all adds up, guys. And if you can get gas at the cheapest price, you are going to save a lot of money. Okay, and the final app that I'm going to share with you, this is a must, okay? When I first started driving, I had no idea about this app, and I could have saved a lot more money if I installed this app on my phone. And this app is called Stride Drive, okay? Stride app. This tool allows you to track all your miles and all your expenses, so you can later do your taxes and save a lot of money once tax season comes, because you're writing down all the miles and all your expenses, okay, guys? We are self-employed, so that means we have to keep track of all of our expenses and pay the taxes at the end, okay? This is a great opportunity for you guys to maximize your earnings if you're documenting everything, and this tool is just going to make it a lot easier for you guys to do so. So you can pretty much track all your miles, okay? Deduct your gas, deduct all the food you're eating while you're doing this job, because this is a deduction. You are driving, and if you pick up something to eat, that it counts as a business expense, okay, guys? So download the Stride app. It's free, and it's going to save you a lot of money once tax season comes around. Okay, guys, so I will have the links to all of these tools and apps in the description, okay? Highly recommend you check these out and you use them while you're doing deliveries, okay? This is Raph from Hustle and Drive, and I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Give me a like if you enjoyed this content, and subscribe to my channel for future videos like this one. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video.